Chatbots are some of the most common AI tools people use today. They are designed to understand human language and respond in a conversational way. Early chatbots were very limited and could only reply with simple, pre-written answers, but modern versions can write emails, explain topics, summarize documents, and even help with coding. Businesses use them for customer support. While students and workers often use them as personal assistants, their popularity grew quickly because they made advanced AI feel simple and accessible to ordinary people. Image generators. Image generators create pictures from text descriptions. A user can type something simple like a futuristic city at night, and the AI will produce an entirely new image within seconds. These tools are trained on huge collections of artwork and photographs, allowing them to imitate many different styles. Some people use them for concept art and design work, while others create posters, thumbnails, or social media content. The rise of image generators also changed discussions around digital art, creativity, and copyright. Please subscribe to our channel for more information. Voice assistants. Voice assistants are AI tools that respond to spoken commands. They became popular through smartphones and smart speakers placed inside homes. These systems can answer questions, play music, set alarms, or control other smart devices. Their main strength is convenience, because people can interact with technology without touching a screen. Over time, voice assistants became better at recognizing different accents and understanding natural speech patterns, making conversations feel more fluid than they did in the past. Translation tools. Translation tools use AI to convert one language into another almost instantly. Earlier translation software often produced awkward sentences, but modern AI systems understand context much better. This allows them to translate conversations, websites, and documents with surprising accuracy. Travelers use them while visiting foreign countries, and businesses rely on them when working with international clients. These tools also help connect people online who would otherwise struggle to communicate with each other.
Recommendation systems. Recommendation systems quietly shape much of what people watch, buy, and listen to online. Streaming platforms use them to suggest movies and songs, while shopping websites recommend products based on browsing history. These AI systems study patterns in user behavior and try to predict what someone may enjoy next. Although they often improve convenience, they also influence trends and online habits in powerful ways that many users barely notice. Navigation AI. Navigation AI helps people travel more efficiently by analyzing maps, traffic, and road conditions in real time. Modern GPS applications can suggest alternate routes within seconds when traffic becomes heavy. Some systems even predict delays before they happen by studying patterns from millions of drivers. This technology has become so common that many people now rely on it daily, without thinking about the complex calculations happening behind the scenes.
Video editing AI. Video editing AI speeds up tasks that once required hours of manual work. These tools can automatically cut silence from recordings, generate subtitles, improve audio quality, or create visual effects. Content creators use them to produce videos faster for platforms like YouTube and TikTok. In professional filmmaking, AI can assist with color correction and scene organization. As these systems improve, editing becomes more accessible to beginners who have little technical experience. Writing assistants. Writing assistants are AI tools designed to improve or generate text. Some focus on correcting grammar and spelling, while others help organize ideas or rewrite sentences in a clearer style. Journalists, students, and office workers often use them to save time during writing tasks. These tools became especially useful in workplaces where communication speed matters. While they cannot fully replace human creativity, they can reduce repetitive work and help people write more confidently. Coding assistants. Coding assistants help programmers write software more efficiently. They can suggest lines of code, explain errors, and even build small programs from simple instructions. This type of AI became popular as software development grew more complex and time-consuming. Experienced programmers use coding assistants to speed up routine tasks. while beginners often rely on them to learn programming concepts. Their growth has changed how many developers approach software creation.
Facial recognition, AI. Facial recognition AI identifies people by analyzing facial features. It is commonly used in smartphones for unlocking devices, but governments and security companies also use it for surveillance and identification systems. The technology works by comparing facial patterns against stored databases. Supporters believe it improves security and convenience, while critics worry about privacy and misuse. Because of these concerns, facial recognition remains one of the most debated forms of AI technology.
Self-driving AI. Self-driving AI powers vehicles that can operate with little or no human control. These systems use cameras, sensors, radar, and machine learning to understand roads and traffic conditions. The idea of autonomous vehicles existed for decades, but advances in computing finally made real-world testing possible. Companies continued developing this technology because it could reduce accidents and improve transportation efficiency. However, safety challenges and legal questions still prevent fully autonomous cars from becoming common everywhere.
Medical diagnosis. Medical diagnosis. AI helps doctors analyze diseases and medical images more quickly. Some systems can detect signs of illnesses in X-rays or scans that might be difficult for humans to notice immediately. Hospitals use these tools to assist with faster decision-making and patient care. AI does not replace doctors, but it acts as a support system that processes large amounts of information very efficiently. Its growing role in healthcare may change how medicine is practiced in the future.